Conversion of waste heat energy of internal combustion engine into electricity by using thermoelectric generator. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Heat engine converts chemical engines available in the fuel to useful mechanical energy. One of the most famous heat engines is the internal combustion (IC) engine. IC engine plays a pivotal role in transportation and other industrial applications. A lot of waste heat is rejected from a typical IC engine as the conversion efficiency of this type of engine is only about 35 to 40%. The average temperature of the exhaust system of a typical IC engine is in the range of 300 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius. The waste heat has the potential to be tapped and converted into useful energy. This can help to increase the performance of the IC engine system. A thermoelectric generator, TEG, can be used to recover the waste heat from the IC engine to electrical power. It can convert directly thermal energy into electrical energy. This work focused on the conversion of the waste heat energy of the IC engine into electricity by using TEG. The aim of the project was to demonstrate the applicability of TEG to convert waste heat from exhaust to useful electrical energy. A test bench was set up to experiment and obtain the power output from TEGs from waste heat recovery from an IC engine. Two TEGs were individually tested to attain the electrical characterization and also tested on series and parallel connections. The thermocouple wires were connected to gain the reading of the temperature at the exact points. The study showed that the series connection of TEGs has improved and increased voltage generation, but the parallel connection is more reliable. The result shows that multi-TEG in the system gave the best result of electrical characterization compared to individual TEG. The system proved that waste heat recovery using TEGs has tremendous application in IC engines for better and higher efficient engine performance. TEG was able to receive 80.1 degrees Celsius of maximum hot temperature and 58.1 degrees Celsius of cold temperature supplied by air cooling. Introduction. Internal combustion engines, IC engines, are widely used to power VIC-less, but they are not very efficient. Only about 30 to 35% of the fuel's energy is used, while the rest is lost as heat. This wasted heat, especially from the engine's exhaust, can reach very high temperatures and is a major opportunity for energy recovery. A promising way to capture this heat is by using thermoelectric IC generators, TEGs. WHICH convert heat directly into electric ICET without any moving parts. TEGs work based on the temperature difference between hot and cold surfaces. By using heat exchangers and heat pipes, these systems can collect waste heat and generate power, helping reduce fuel use and pollution. In light-duty vehicles, TEG systems have already produced up to 300 watts of power. This approach not only improves engine efficiency but also supports cleaner energy use, especially when applied in hybrid or electric IC/VIC-less alongside traditional engines. Conclusions. This project tested how well thermoelectric generators, TEGs, can turn waste heat from an internal combustion engine into electric ICET. The results showed that using multiple TEGs together gave better performance than using them individually. Among the TEGs tested, TEG1 produced more power than TEG2 because it was placed in a better position to receive more heat. TEG1 reached a maximum power output of 183 milliwatts at a hot temperature of 250 degrees Celsius due to the natural upward flow of heat. When TEGs were connected in a series, the system produced more voltage and achieved the highest power output of 252 milliwatts. However, the parallel setup was found to be more stable overall. The experiment also showed that the further ATEG is from the heat source, the less heat it receives. WHICH reduces power output. The best temperature difference was 80.1 degrees Celsius on the hot side and 58.1 degrees Celsius on the cold side using air cooling. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.